Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this purple right triangle whose side lengths are x, x minus 8 and x minus 1 as you can see in this figure. And now we are going to calculate the value of x. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Since this given purple triangle is a right triangle, so therefore we are going to use a Pythagorean theorem. And here's our Pythagorean theorem. A square plus b square equal to c square. Let's focus on this, our triangle, the purple triangle. And here the longest leg is this x part, this one. I'm going to call this longest leg C, and I'm going to call this side A and this side B. And here's our Pythagorean formula. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. In our case, A is x minus 1. So I can write this one as x minus 1 square plus B in our case is x minus 8 square equal to C in our case is x. So this is going to become x square. And now we are going to expand these binomial x minus 1 square and x minus 8 square by using this formula. So let's go ahead and expand these ones. So this is going to become x square minus 2x plus 1. And for the next, this binomial, that is going to become x square minus 16x plus 64 equal to x square. And now we can see that this x square and this x square, they cancel each other out. So let's go ahead and combine the like terms. I can write x square minus 18x plus 65 equal to 0. And now we are ended up with a quadratic equation, as you can see over here. Now let's go ahead and solve this quadratic equation by using the factoring technique. Let me go ahead and show you the factoring technique right now. This constant part on the right hand side, positive 65, I'm going to write down on the top of this x factor, and the middle number negative 18 is going to go at the bottom over here. And now we are going to find the factors of 65 such that if we add or subtract, we should get negative 18. So we can see that the possible factors are going to be simply 5 times 13. That indeed is going to give us 65 if we multiply them. And if we add them, we are going to get 18. The only thing is we need to fix the sign. So the sign is going to be both of them negative sign, negative 5 and negative 13. And if we multiply these two factors, these are our factors, we are going to get positive 65. And if we add this negative 5 and negative 13, we are going to get negative 18. And now let's put down these two parentheses. I'm going to write down these two parentheses set equal to 0. So we got x and then this one negative 5. I'm going to put down right next to it. Likewise x and then next factor is negative 13. I am going to write down. And now we got two factors equal to 0. I can just simply split them. I can separate them. I can write x minus 5 equal to 0, and the other one is going to be x minus 13 equal to 0. That means our x value turns out to be either 5 or x value is positive 13. And here's our next step. Let's pick x equal to 5 value first, and let's put it over here in this side over here. If I put it this thing, so this x is same as 5, and here this become 5 minus 1 means that is going to become 4. So this is a 5, this is 4, and this is going to become 5 minus 8 equal to negative 3. And now we can see that this side length turns out to be negative 3, and we know that the length cannot be negative, so that means this our x value is rejected. We are going to eliminate this one, so this x equal to 5 value is being rejected, so that means we are going to accept this x. Thus our x value turns out to be positive 13. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.